Alanizia Jeremiah Durham, born July 9, 1988, nicknamed the Hulk, is an American professional basketball player for the Saga Ballooners of the B.League. Alan owns the Grand Rapids Danger of the North American Basketball League and runs a foundation under his name. He leads Grace Bible College all-time in points, rebounds, and blocks, and has played in multiple leagues around the world. Barako Bull Energy 2014. Durham played for the Barako Bull Energy in the Philippine Basketball Association PBA as a replacement import for Eric Wise, who only had one win in his stint with the team. He could have played in the PBA sooner, as he could have been the import of the AI or 21 Express that season, and was recommended to that team by his former French League teammate, Wesley Witherspoon. But he decided to rest his body until Barako Bull called him. In his PBA debut, he had 32 points, 24 rebounds, and 10 assists that propelled the Energy to their second win in 7 outings. He then had 28 points and 29 rebounds in an upset over the first-place Talk and Text Tropang Texters. But they were eliminated by the Tropang Texters in the first round of the playoffs. Morocco Bolts 2016. After playing in France, Durham joined the Morocco Bolts, returning to the PBA. His nose was injured during a match against the Alaska Aces, which forced him to wear a mask. He initially wore a transparent face mask, which worsened his performance. He then switched to a black-colored mask and had a 32-point, 12-rebound, and 5-assist performance in his first game with the black mask. During their finals against Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, he was awarded Best Import of the conference. Despite winning Game 1 and going up to 2-1 in the best-of-7 series after the third game, the Bolts were unable to secure the 2016 PBA Governors Cup title following their Game 6 loss. He only had 15 points in Game 6, and Ginebra import Justin Brownlee scored the title-winning, buzzer-beating three-pointer over him. Durham returned to Morocco for the 2018 Governors Cup. He had 27 points, 22 rebounds, and 8 assists, but lost to TNT. He also competed with Morocco in the 2018 FIBA Asia Champions Cup while the Governors Cup was ongoing, settling for 4th place. Their loss to TNT kick-started a 6-game losing streak. 57 against the NLEX Road Warriors. He was hit on the head hard by NLEX's Dave Marcello. Durham then scored 16 of his 36 points in the fourth quarter to end their losing streak. He then had 35 points and 26 rebounds to put Morocco closer to a playoff spot. 59, Morocco eventually qualified for the playoffs as the 7th seed, where they upset the 2nd seed Phoenix. Game 1 of their semis against Alaska, he had 32 points and 14 rebounds to lead Morocco to the win. The Bolts then lost their next 3 games and were eliminated by Alaska. Personal life. Durham operates the Grand Rapids Danger. They previously played in the American Basketball Association for 2 seasons and moved to the North American Basketball League (NABL) in 2018. He also runs a foundation which exposes young kids to sports. Durham has 2 children. He is one of 10 siblings. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.